How to fix Windows blue screen error after update. 1. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. 3. Repair system files. Commands include sfc /scanodism /online /cleanup image /scan healthism /online /cleanup image /check healthism /online /cleanup image /restore health 4. Clear any existed potential viruses using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 5. Uninstall newly installed hardware /software, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 6. Give your computer enough storage space. 7. Restore your system. 8. Reset or reinstall Windows.